Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the Home Alone Blu-ray Steelbook. This was a Best Buy exclusive and it comes with the Blu-ray and the digital HD and the DVD as well. I got this one for I think $10.99. I believe it's still on sale at the moment at bestbuy.com. I know that I think it was last year that they had a double feature for Home Alone 1 and Home Alone 2, but I wasn't collecting at the time, so I haven't been able to get that one. Hate when they put a bunch of glue back here. Sensor and all. But yeah, this is gonna be all a matte type finish, as is the back. And there we have the spine. Then on the inside, you're gonna have the Blu-ray disc and the DVD disc. Here's the full artwork on the inside with little plans. And then the full steelbook. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.